Hello everybody. Tini yang ay exhibition jelib exhibition bo Shanghai song yale. Tini exhibition bo polo kane sakya pe gonpa chenmo sume wall paintings ya murals kone exhibition jitu kone yale. Tini na polo kane sakya pe gonpa me juna sakya gonpa, sharu gonpa and palkhor gonpa zenji. Tene ngaya jab main exhibition area labi ale ek aaj sun dol kar painting jarte to khone main exhibition hall dulla. So this is the surroundings. Shkyoda. So this is the main entry gate and namko song sitling bone khone ngaya it's also brochure shale and here the green taras. Shkyoda. Yeah, Jabi is China, Tibetan Buddhism related. In fact, Buddhism related exhibition is China. Like Indian map, to hola like there will be Indian map. So all the time, I'll first find Ladakh, and then this Gandhara area where the Tibetan Buddhism all this follow. So this is very ancient map. So this is very ancient Chinese character. It's a horizontal made khatok ni yodiano. Right side to left side. So this is how the Thangka are drawing this color. This thing here no minimas and minimas is like play world. No, at that time he was 1 year old, 1.5 years old at that time. And he was super active. Really, oh my gosh. No, igoma je of minimas listens. So the price will be like 2 hours also the parents like you have to pay 500 rupees extra. Tiningan ang molang song yampo, so they will ban this banbong and then no so you will scan this QR code and you'll get inside. Then sakya papel khod gonpa zenji get hanbongi jana sante yordosh kada mania gompa sa chanchin yuksa. Then ngaya le I gompa on ka po de jikatse zerse yule ngarang lip mishes yale daksa supa. Then in Shanghai exhibition song yale gompa na skola. Then ngaya lagor exhibition book just ngaya song pen yale. Then ngata yale na daksla sakya pe gompa mani chenmo yodi medio maro gompa yuksa. Then sakya school is one of the 4 major schools of Tibetan Buddhism, and the others being the Mapa, Kagyupa, Gelukpa. Then I detail in it will take a long time. Then the entire playhouse theme bong science fiction in a master over the theme design just to so I also liked it. They don't know going like a guy constant they are weekend lions person weekend let them mampu midupin ba and then ngaya maningani tanish peg mother me mampu na and lemik sola mera and knowing when ka ni dunia ni let's no hala sam they actively bang yan kashi sila Diringa is thing bano washroom na sopan yale washroom na chaje ko yabo I walls hone ka ya I melong mirror hone ka painting du yale I painting ko na jar thimi lu yale I sensor jika yong du ya sensor jika off charo kata I ka lakpa lu just ta aji ko yabo painting bacha yong du yale lakpa thana chiko painting would disappear charo I don't know what kind of technology this is I have never seen it before but mole is rapen this is very old technologies in Jishkara. So for me it was a big surprise. Mulla daksa jikatse monastery na renovate chokane no gompa uni wall painting uni ka khoni exhibit la Shanghai hoste do gyale eka main jitun don me painting bo do gyala tene te ma chat khoi don me khoring shul sakshi ge painting na te one chanu nai ka jate do gyala. So there are 21 taras, right? That's why it's called Dolma Yishul Sakshik. So 21 taras. Then e wall paintings kun mangcha 13 to 15 centuries any wall paintings kun that means lo ngabgya ni tastel dunge mulla chakani murals ya wall paintings ko len suk. Then yale Sakya monasteries in Jiduk, the first temple of the Sakya sect of Tibetan Buddhism and also the central monastery of the school. The exhibition area tells the history and culture of the Sakya monastery known as Second Dunhuang. Gaji sonzale ngai kan thama tok sut pen paping mu lai to saput tang sene no lagu ika standing os pasang lagu ika yale teni kol da ma yo aslat chus song ma song pasang gel ngal la jak se os no khur pen yale de zam serious is that ma phok hipat ko dok song pasang production mu sikela. So here is a vegetable section, kitchen section shkela. And then there are all these kitchen things which you can find in the kitchen. All the vegetables are there. So Nono is not aware of these things actually. He doesn't know actually. He's too early to know what all these things. Nono sliding chun make an jiksha shabut pasang shkyo the guy sliding chun make us when call lo chicken is too unifen. So this one is very short, but still I am like bit of scared. This is only 1 meter length, so it is okay. No, yare. I ball in the toilet. They were lungs money. They were doing ball in the toilet. So he didn't like to play in this ball area. It was kachuna coaches a lot. So he'll play with it, and if I say don't put in the mouth, then I just kachuna down. Ikan imani last course you took pura touch screen dupen. Then imani pura like 3D, 4D, 5 dimension में रहे is a touch touch ngata ra in that imani score and also a feeling the vibration and then the feeling bodupa and then imani uni na yale pura avala kishwara chakstong chantong pura naksha kunduk. So it looks very high tech. But ira jikshes purchase jiks pampani menu pura jagat sangmate safety do paya lekal ira ya thua seriously katkar ira ya starts jingen na you can sue this honor so that if malik po you can sue literally sue. Jomdan das ngansung kamchat yongsu java shakya singe teniu ika dugle spechan pura 3D print chosi dupa asli specha ika borkan sos feel hedivana तो all these are specha kangul tangul tini bum puti बहुत सारे हैं इन्ना specha on मुने दाखसांगे मालाले आरा pot lat kanung company ayut kan specha on they print it here and put it as an exhibition.
对，这个又是
착동 전동 착동의 공전이가 착동이야 희전동 주스 근데 착을니까 잔들이 착동 전동 잔을 주스 차나 도지 배만 치우죠 라스키 도지
这个怎么称那斗鸡不像的？
枪斗鸡，
枪嘛斗鸡不是这个那斗鸡。
枪斗鸡，枪斗鸡像。
对啊，怎么跟我们看到的不像？
The sand section, इस sand section है ना मल्टी मटेरियल है बहुत सारे चीज़ें जो sand टूने वैसे काला या थालबे ना से या सब चीज़ वो कोना वैसे आते मटेरियल है तो we spend a lot of time here then ini gangi tas mana no chungje naksa I time bika ya le lo chik chik na phet the time bika no sensory play which is po de mo to dushkora then he set up a sensory bin fill it with the material like rice water sands and provide him a cups and spoons and other safe objects and he will explore and manipulate shkora then building blocks una jo sang then puzzles un khamal de mo to then e exhibition is so high technology it will literally gives you the feeling that of that you are in this old monastery gopen yotkan it feeling jino juna otoshiki low chick na pere na like he only knows how to pile up shkura kazul sain kazul thongin duna boshes mane he doesn't know this is a car, he doesn't know how to play with a car, he don't have this concept yet. So what he'll do, he'll collect all of this shkura then dun like thongs the khora borano par ngai dang te lapsun ba khoi ki re ngada risk the boshes lapsun ba, so he knows how to risk the boshes. You yell upper floor so and then cut off floor bo pura meet as a menu and safety very safe and the upper floor you can jump and run and you can do whatever you want. It's like mostly swinging. The Baba is also very happy. It's very bright, clean. It's very clean actually. Clean is very important thing. If it's not clean, people will not go. Gilchis and chicks but still Nono is very small. So Papa, my Papa, Yanga, many chichi up Nindu Gosushkala. So you can see here every place, every corner, nook and corner is like safely binded. Basically, there's a big ninja game. You know this ninja game, right? I was playing this ninja game. So it will work. It will cut this fruits on the basis of sensor. Sensoring it, the ninja, this fruit will get cutted. So Nono is in his own world. Like he was throwing this car one by one in the dustbin. It dustbin both chaga in sukyale. Then jab Nono ikane toys kun cars kun it dustbin in a pachi punya pos kachik zeding this kachi on the pa. This kat po demo so the korean dustbin in a pachi mana car goyale. So here are a lot of toys in this room and surrounded by the colors, shapes and these objects. For 1.5 years old, this is the world waiting to be explored and their thoughts revolve around this sensory experience and understanding. So, sirf touch nang, smell nang, sound umane dak sa shesa ma mushkila.